What's your name?
My name is Gillian.
Hello, Gillian. And who do you aspire to be like?
I can be as big as Celine Dion.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you going to sing for us today?
Celine Dion said, My Heart Will Go On.
Okay.
When you're ready.
Every night in my dream, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you go on. Near, far, wherever you are, and you hear in my head, my heart will go on and
What was that you sang?
Celine Dion song.
Celine Dion.
My heart will go on.
That wasn't...
And on, and on, and on.
I mean, look, darling, it's not just that you have a bad voice. I honestly can say I've never heard anything like that in my life. I mean, you were singing notes which have never been invented.
It was powerful, but it was just out of tune, babe.
All right, Louis, yes or no?
No.
Cheryl?
No.
Danny?
No from me.
Sorry, sweetheart, it's a no.
So Ghislaine's performance has gone down, well, like the Titanic.